Did he get you? What is that?
I don't know.
Let me see.
Mommy.
It's Halloween stickers. What's that? Cool. Isn't it a bug? 2 bugs. Can you undo the zipper? Let's see what's inside your bug, Racy.
Maybe Halloween candy.
Maybe. Wow, what is it, Racy?
Halloween candy.
You like that stuff?
Yeah.
Kason, you like M&Ms?
Yeah.
She got you lots, huh?
Yeah.
What do you say?
Thank you. What's these? I got these.
What is? Oh, money! What are you gonna buy? Kason, save that money. You save up for your next Imagine Next toy.
Oh, okay. I open these.
We'll eat those tomorrow. We're gonna go to bed now. Racy, can you say thank you? Say thank you.